Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new tutorial in Solidwork. Let's start the video. First we take a rectangle and do symmetric. What is the dimension? And this distance is 32 plus 18 plus 18. 32 plus 18 plus 18. So 32 is the center gap, 18 right side direction and 18 left side direction, and its height is given 15. Now after taking this, okay, we cut a cap and do symmetric, and distance is 32 now. Okay, and height is 10, height given. Now I will do doing symmetric, and this distance is 32. Gap distance is 32. Now this distance is 44, and take a trim entities command, trim this and come out from these 2D scales. Now we are converting this one into 3D model. Remove up to surface and convert into blind, and take a distance of 75 mm. After taking the distance of 75 mm, there are some cutout we are doing in this model. There is a slot and taper distance is also given. There is another way to make this. First we take a first surface and take some height, and on that height use a plane, and we sketch another plane and draft that from bottom to plane, and this is the another way to making this part. Now we are making this one. We take a plane and we sketch this rectangle, and this is rectangle of 48. This is square. um, both side length is 48. This length is also 48. We take a line, and line is a construction line because we are using this line as a center line. Make symmetric. After this line, okay, sorry, we take a line, and this one are doing horizontal, make horizontal of this line, make symmetric. Okay, now it is fully defined. Come out from 2D sketch using the lofted command. Select wait a minute, select this sketch and connect to this one. This is this one. Okay, don't wait a minute. We select all of it. This is our guide curve. Lofted. We select all the lines. Now guide. No, wait a minute. We select all of this. Maybe so. This is showing an error. Take a sketch. Now we are left. We are selecting this surface because we connect that 2D profile into to the surface. We point at. Wait a minute. Hmm. Okay. Again select this case, loctate base and boss base command, select this one. Okay, now it is all the points are matching each other. Huh, if all the points are not matching each other, there is another way to matching all the points. Select single point and drag to the another point. Infinite length, and for construction select this one, make symmetric, and this distance is 15 mm. Okay, okay, it is 15. Use the extrude cut command through all the part. Okay, now we completed this part. Thank you guys for joining my channel. Thank you.